Hi, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to start with the Lagrange mean value theorem. In the last class we have discussed about the Rolle's theorem and some problems related to Rolle's theorem, and also we have done a problem that verify Rolle's theorem like that. Okay, so problems complete ചെയ്തു മൂന്ന് class അതിൽ complete ചെയ്തു. So today Lagrange mean value theorem. What is Lagrange mean value theorem? If a function f is defined on a closed interval ab, satisfying the following conditions, that is the function f is continuous on a closed interval ab, and is differentiable on open interval ab, then there exists a value x equal to c in such a way that f dash c equal to fb minus f of a divided by b minus a. fb minus f dash c equal to fb minus f of a divided by b minus a. This is Lagrange mean value theorem. Okay, f is defined on a closed interval, differentiable on open interval ab, then there exists a value x equal to c in between. C lies in between a and b, okay, such that f dash c equal to fb minus fa divided by b minus a. That is, we have to prove here. To prove this, let phi of x define phi of x is equal to f of x minus fb minus f of a divided by b minus a into x. b minus a into x. b defined on closed interval ab, defined on closed interval ab. And phi of a is equal to fa minus, this is afb plus af of a divided by b minus a. Okay, so this is totally into b minus a into ഞാൻ ഇതൊന്ന് റബ്ബ് ചെയ്യാണ്, that is അതായത് b minus a into f of a minus fb plus f of a, sorry ഇവിടെ aയും കൂടി ഇടുക, into a divided by b minus a, which is equal to bf of a minus, this is bf of a minus af of a minus af of b plus af of a divided by b minus a. ഇത് രണ്ടും കൂടി വെട്ടിപ്പോയി, ബാക്കി എത്ര ഉണ്ടാവുക? bf of a minus af of b divided by b minus a. Okay, similarly what will be phi of b? Phi of b is equal to actually fb minus f of a divided by b minus a into b ആണ്. Okay, so this is bf of b minus af of b minus bf of b plus bf of a divided by b minus a. ഇതിൽ ഏതാ വെട്ടിപ്പോവുക? bf of b മാറ്റി, so this is bf of a minus af of b divided by b minus a. Okay, therefore phi of a equal to phi of b ആണ്. Okay, phi of a equal to phi of b. From this phi of a equal to phi of b, phi of a equal to phi of b. Okay, also we have phi of x is we have f of x is continuous on closed interval ab. Okay, For from this definition, f of x is continuous. ഇവിടെ ഒരു x add ചെയ്തൊന്നും മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. x polynomial function ആയതുകൊണ്ട് that is always continuous. Therefore, phi of x is continuous on closed interval AB. Continuous on closed interval AB. Also that f of x is differentiable. F of x is differentiable on open interval AB. Okay, from the definition itself we can easily say that phi of x is always differentiable. F of x is differentiable on open interval AB. This phi of x is differentiable on open interval AB. And also we have found that phi of A is equal to phi of B. Okay, so applying which theorem? That is, yes, Rolle's theorem. Applying Rolle's theorem, we can see that there exists C in between A and B such that applying Rolle's theorem on phi of x, okay, on phi of x, then phi dash c equal to 0, phi dash c equal to 0, such that phi dash c equal to 0. And what is phi dash c actually? C is equal to, we have phi of x is equal to, and phi of x is equal to f of x minus fb minus f of a divided by b minus a into x. So phi dash x is equal to f dash x minus ഇത് derivative എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ fb minus f of a divided by b minus a. Okay, so phi dash c equal to 0 implies f dash c minus fb minus f of a divided by b minus a equal to 0. Therefore what? Therefore f dash c equal to fb minus f of a divided by b minus a. Okay, so this is the proof of the theorem, Lagrange mean value theorem. Next is the second form of Lagrange mean value theorem. If we write b is equal to a plus h, എന്തായിരുന്നു നമ്മുടെ Lagrange mean value theorem? അതിന്റെ റിസൾട്ട് f dash c equal to fb minus f of a divided by b minus a ആയിരുന്നു. Okay, അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ബിക്ക് പകരം എന്തായിരുന്നു? ആ ഇന്റർവെൽ എഫ് ഓഫ് എക്സ് ഡിഫൈൻ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇന്റർവെൽ എഫ് ഓഫ് എക്സ് ഇസ് കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് ഓൺ ക്ലോസ്ഡ് ഇന്റർവെൽ എ ബി. പിന്നെ എന്തൊക്കെയായിരുന്നു അസംഷൻ? എഫ് ഓഫ് എക്സ് ഇസ് ഡിഫറൻഷ്യബിൾ ഓൺ ഓപ്പൺ ഇന്റർവെൽ എ ബി. ഇതാണ് ഇവിടെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ്. ആൻഡ് okay, then there exists, okay, answer then there exists c in between open interval a b such that ഇത് satisfy ചെയ്യാം. Okay, ഇവിടെ put b equal to a plus h. b equal to a plus h എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മുടെ ഇന്റർവൽ a plus h ആണ്. റൈറ്റ്, ഇതാണ് c equal to a plus theta h, where theta lies in between 0 and 1. So ഇതെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇതിന്റെ ഇടയിലുള്ള വാല്യൂ ആയിരിക്കും. Okay, then the mean value theorem can be stated as f of x is continuous on closed interval a plus h. F dash x exists in open interval a plus h. Then there is at least one number theta such that, okay, there exists theta such that for c theta is 0 less than theta less than 1, then f dash of c is equal to, here c equal to എന്തായിരുന്നു? fb minus f of a divided by b minus a ആയിരുന്നു അല്ലേ? b minus a എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾക്ക് ഇവിടെ b equal to എന്താണ് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത് a plus h ആണ്. അപ്പൊ b minus a എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്തായിരുന്നു? ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് h ആണ് അല്ലേ? b minus a is equal to h ആണ്. This is b minus a ആണ്. Okay. So f dash of c എന്തായിരുന്നു? c is equal to a plus theta h. A plus, that is c is equal to a plus theta h. A plus theta h is equal to fb. fb എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Okay. Therefore ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് simplify ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്ത് കിട്ടും? f of a plus h minus f of a is equal to h into f dash of a plus theta h. ഇത് simplify ചെയ്തു എന്ന് മാത്രമേ ഇവിടെ ഉള്ളൂ. f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a plus theta h. ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ റിസൾട്ട്. ഓക്കെ, f of a plus h into f dash of a plus theta h. Next we have a question. Find the value of c in between a and b such that f of x satisfies the Lagrange mean value theorem where a is equal to 0 and b equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so to find out the solution, given that f of x is equal to what? X into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, x minus 1 into x minus 2. So I can write this as this is x square minus 2x minus x. So minus 3x plus 2. Okay, so I can write this as x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Okay. So f of x is this one. This is a polynomial and is continuous on polynomial ആയതുകൊണ്ട് everything continuous ആണ്. Continuous on ഏത് interval? അപ്പോൾ closed interval തന്നെ പറയാം. Closed interval 0, 1 by 2. And second one is it is polynomial, so it is differentiable on actually എല്ലാ പോയിന്റ്സിലും differentiable ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ in particular നമ്മുടെ open interval 0, 1 by 2ലും differentiable ആണ്. Therefore, there exists c in between 0 and 1 by 2 such that f dash c equal to fb minus f of a divided by b minus a. Okay, അപ്പോൾ ഇത് എത്രയൊക്കെയാണെന്ന് നമ്മൾക്ക് evaluate ചെയ്യണം. What is f of b here? That is we have to evaluate. F of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Okay, so f of b is equal to f of 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 8 minus 3 by 4 plus 2 by 2. That is 1 by 8 minus 3 by 4 plus 1. So this is by solving 3 by 8. And also we can see that f of 0 is equal to 0 here. And what is f dash x? F dash x is 3x square minus 6x plus 2. And f dash c is equal to 3c square minus 6c plus 2. Right? X in pagaram c ആക്കി replace ചെയ്യാം. Then നമ്മുടെ result പ്രകാരം what is f dash c? fb minus f of a divided by b minus a. Substituting all the values, 3 by 8 minus 0 divided by 1 by 2 minus 0. 3 by 8 divided by 1 by 2, that is 3 by 4 കിട്ടും. Solve ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ. The f dash c എന്തായിരുന്നു? 3c square minus 6c plus 2, which is equal to 3 by 4. Right? Then simplify ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ you will get 12c square minus 24c plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, then c is equal to 24 plus or minus root of 24 square minus 240 divided by 24. Okay, so this is equal to actually this is 24, this is root 336 വരും. Right, so ഇത് 24 ലെസ് ദാൻ ആയിട്ടുള്ള വാല്യൂ ആണ് ഇവിടെ വരിക, റൂട്ട് 336 വരും. അപ്പോൾ എന്തായാലും ഇത് 1 പ്ലസ് ഓർ മൈനസ് 0.764 ആണ്. So that is 1.764 or 0.236. നമ്മൾക്ക് ഏത് ടൈപ്പിലുള്ള സി ആണ് ചൂസ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? ചൂസ് സി സച്ച് ദാറ്റ് which lies in between 0 and 1 by 2. So c is equal to 0.236. So we have the answer.